What's up guys, I am just outside my shop. I'm getting ready to make some triangular shelves with a buddy, and I wanted to show you a little jig that I put together to do that. And since it's a triangle, I need 60 degrees at each corner, and my saw will not go down to such an acute 60-degree angle. So what I'm doing is I've got this 4x4 little jig I made for these acute miters. So this is set to a perfect 45 degrees, and I've got the tall 3.5 inches here for my workpiece. This slides up against the fence on the saw. I clamp it down, and then what I do is I set the, see, I've got it right here. I set the saw to 45 degrees minus whatever my desired angle is. So I know that I need 60 degrees on each corner of a triangle, so I need to cut that in half for my miters, so that needs to be 30 degrees. So 45 minus 30 is 15. So I set my saw 15 degrees, and my workpiece goes in just like this. And what that does, you can kind of see from the base of the saw here, when the blade drops through, that gets me this beautiful 30-degree miter that makes up the 60 degrees. So that allows you to, in a pretty safe way, create miters. And you obviously want to be careful when you're doing this, but it's one way to get those tight or smaller joints, less than 90 degrees, on your miter saw. I didn't think this would needed a whole lot of explanation. The jig is pretty self-explanatory, but if you have any questions, drop those in the comment section below. I would love to field them. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. If you're not subscribed to the channel, do that. Give this video a thumbs up, and we'll talk later. Bye.